Insecticide India declared numbers. Let's just pull up the stock. At a point of time, it was up 10%. Now also it's up close to about 5% or so, 515. The management is now joining us. On most of the counts, the numbers were a beat. Sandeep Agarwal, CFO at Insecticide India. Sandeep, if you could just tell us that Q2 should be the strongest quarter for the company, and you have delivered on all the counts, whether it's sales, EBITDA or PAT.
Hi, this is Rajesh Agarwal. So call came to me, but I'll reply your questions. Quarter 2 generally is the strongest quarter for us. And this has been a very good quarter. After 2 years, actually, we received good rainfalls, and the results are depicting that, actually. So we have shown about 26% growth in this quarter in the top line, and so is a good response in the bottom line. It has grown by about almost 60%. PAT margins has gone up. So I believe in the half year, we have grown by, say, about 17.5%. So we should be able to maintain this type of growth in the top line in this year. And I believe that the PAT margin should also show an improvement. So this 24% growth in totality, what we have shown in the half year, should be visible in the final year's targets.
Right. Sir, as far as the company is concerned, what led to this margin growth? Was it the strongest quarter? That's why you saw a better margin coming in because of better volumes, or was it because of new launches as well?
It was a combination, basically. It was a good season. So some of the products which were launched in the last few years, they also did well. And then we signed some new collaborations also this year. So we collaborated with a new company called Nihon Nihaku, and we launched 2 products in the market. There was another American player called Momentive. And then we also launched certain new products like Green Label and some others. So it was a comprehensive, I would say, the result, what has come in. So it's a growth from everywhere.
Right. As far as the company is concerned, which are the new launches? New launches will lead to better growth?
Definitely the new launch will be supportive, actually. And the launches which we do in year 1, they also grow in year 2 and year 3. So I would say that, yes, the new launches will be responsible for the growth because the old generics, they have stagnated. But we continuously plan to launch 4 or 5 products every year. So this type of launches of 4 or 5 new products we are going to see every year. And then we have also improved in the field of biologicals. So there will be certain new launches in the field of biologicals also, from which we are also expecting big in the future. So there will be all type of launches.
One can say that in the last few quarters, the launches that you have done, one get a sense that, your portfolio has changed quite a bit. So, your portfolio is now catering towards the need of short, medium, as well as long-term needs?
Yeah, definitely. That is the vision, basically. We are trying to, we have created a huge network of distributors and dealers across the country. And I believe that the following from the farmer is also there. So Tractor brand is a popular name with the farmer. So we are now trying to change the product mix. Our strength is that we provide the complete solution to the farmer. Now we are trying to give him the new generation pesticides, the latest generation of products at competitive prices. So there we have a multifaceted philosophy. Whatever is getting off patented, we are trying to make it in the country and supply to the farmer at competitive prices. And we are also collaborating with Japanese companies and some other companies to bring the latest patented technologies in the reach of the common farmer. So it's a 2-point agenda which we are following. Our R&D center is working, and at the same time we are collaborating with certain new foreign companies, and also we are inventing by ourselves in a collaboration with a Japanese company. So with this approach, I can say that yes, we are working for medium, short-term and long-term plans.
With the overall monsoon being normal, was this the first quarter where you saw this monsoon impact coming in, or you think the monsoon impact will come in with a lag effect?
The monsoon impact was more in the second quarter, actually. The first quarter started showing the build-up, actually, from mid-May. Because till middle of May, we were into negative, and we saw the growth only after middle of May. So May, June, we saw some growth. So there was a small growth in the first quarter, and the major growth came in the second quarter.
Right. Sir, but Q2 is traditionally the strongest quarter. Majority of the sales and PAT comes in the previous quarter?
Yes, Q2 is the strongest quarter, but Q3 and Q4 collectively are almost, they will match the Q2 figures, actually, or they will be little less than that. So Q3 and Q4 are also important. Now Rabi season is starting in many parts of the country, almost everywhere, actually, in the month of November. So I expect that this quarter should also be good, and we should be able to repeat our performance, what we have done in the first half. So in the second half again, we can expect a similar type of jump in our sales numbers and also in the EBITDA margins.
Right. So as far as the new launched green label is concerned, is that something which is leading to better growth, or that ramp up will lead to better growth?
Definitely, green label is a big product for us actually. So we got a very small window, almost hardly a month to work on that. So the numbers have, it has supported the numbers, but I'll not say that it has led the numbers. But yes, it is very important product in our growth in this year also and in the next year also.
Right. Sir, thank you so much for taking out time for us. That was Rajesh Agarwal of Insecticide India. The stock is up around 5% and the management are giving a very bullish outlook. On that note, taking a break, coming back into focus on results would continue. We should also have the management of Bharat Forge with us on the other side.